Yes, good morning students. Welcome to the maths class. In the previous class we have solved third question and second question and third question from exercise 12.1. Today we are going to solve the question number 4. This is somewhat important question. This model is important. So see the question first. We are trying to read the question properly and we are trying to understand the question properly. Then only it is easy to solve. Okay. So see that the wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeters. So here it is given that the diameter of the wheel of a car. Wheel of the car is in the shape of circle. Circle, no? Yes. This diameter is given 80 centimeters. Okay. So now, how many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes? Make in 10 minutes. Okay. So this is the, it will take, we have to find the, how many revolutions means how many rounds if it will rotate in 10 minutes to make the travel this total distance. Okay. Then when the car is traveling at the speed of, here speed of the car also given 66 kilometers per hour. Okay. So here in the question diameter is given. So we have to convert the diameter into radius. Okay. After converting, see that in one revolution how much distance will cover the wheel. So for example, we'll start from here. One complete revolution means from here to here and it will join here at the same point. That is called one revolution. Okay. So like that, how many revolutions will take in 10 minutes? Okay, in 10 minutes of a car. We have to find how many such type of revolutions will make in 10 minutes with the speed of 66 kilometers per hour. Okay, let us try to solve. First write the diameter of the wheel of the car. Diameter of wheel of car is equal to D is equal to how much? 80 centimeters. We know that radius is half of the diameter, that is D by 2. D is 80 centimeters by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 0. That is 40 centimeters. This is the diameter given. And also time also given. Okay. What is the time here? Time is time taken is equal to T is equal to 10 minutes. And also what given? Speed also given. Speed of car. Speed of car is equal to, it is given 66 kilometers per hour. See, observe one thing here. Here, radius is given in centimeters and speed is given in kilometers per hour and time is given in 10 minutes. So that we have to change this kilometer per hour into centimeter per minute. Centimeter per minute. Centimeter per minute. Okay. How can we change this? See, for example, for 1 kilometer, how many meters? 1000 meters. And for 1 meter, how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Then 1 kilometer become, how much it will become? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, no? Into 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Then it will become 1 lakh centimeters. So 1 kilometer, this is 1 kilometer, this is 1 hour. This 1 kilometer instead of 1 kilometer, if you write this 1 lakh centimeters means no problem. Okay? So that here 66 into 1 kilometer is 1 lakh centimeters by, for 1 hour how many minutes? It is 60 minutes. Here 1 0 cancel. This is 6 1 ja, 6 1 ja, 6 1 ja. 11 1 ja, 11. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 zeros. Total 4 zeros. Centimeters by minute. This is the centimeters by minute. Okay. Now see that if we have to find the distance traveled by, see that here distance covered in one revolution is equal to the circumference of circle or not? Yes, distance of the one revolution, the distance covered in one revolution is this is. That is equals to the circumference of the circle. So the distance covered by wheel in one revolution, that is equal to circumference of circle or not? Yes. One revolution means if it will complete one round means that will become the circumference of the circle. So that circumference of the circle formula is 2 pi r. 2 into pi into what is the r? Radius. Here radius is 40 centimeters. This is the radius. So 40 to 80 centimeters is the circumference. This is the distance travelled in one revolution. But we have to find. We have to find the number of revolutions. So then we have to let it be the number of revolutions is equal to n. We don't know how many revolutions it will take in 10 minutes. Okay, in 10 minutes. So for one revolution it covers 80 centimeters distance. Like that, in 10 centimeters, how many in 10 minutes? How much distance it will travel means? So see here. Shall I rub this? So see here. This is the time in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, this is the time and this is the speed. Then the distance is equal to, we know one formula, that is distance is equal to speed into time. So the distance covered in 10 minutes. The distance covered in 10 minutes is equal to d is equal to time into speed. Here time is 10, speed is 11,000, and totally it will become 1,10,000 centimeters it will cover in 10 minutes. To cover this distance, this is the distance covered by 10 minutes. Covered by the 10 minutes with speed of this speed and with this time. Okay. Now we want the how many number of revolutions it will take to cover this unit, this distance. Means, so number of revolutions into, for one revolution, this is one revolution, into one revolution, distance traveled in, distance covered in one revolution, that is equal to otherwise is equal to, so the total distance in 10 minutes. So distance traveled in 10 minutes. So n into distance traveled in one revolution is, it is the circumference of the circle, that is 80 pi centimeters. 80 pi centimeters is equal to, this distance is how much? How much distance? 1,10,000. 1,10,000 distance it will travel. So now 10 into 80 into this is 22 by 7 is equal to 1,10,000. 1,10,000 into 10,000. Now we need a number of revolutions. We need 1,10,000 into 80 become 1 by 80. 22 by 7 becomes 7 by 22. 11 2s are 11 1s are 11. 4 zeros will come. Okay. Here 1 0 1 0 will get cancelled. 2 1s are, this is 2 5s are means 500. This is 500 into 7 by 8. Okay. Again by 2 4 8. This is 250. 2 2s are 125. So 125 into 7 by 2. 125 by 7 into 2. This will become how much? How much it is? Nearly 125 into 7 is equal to 7 5 is 35, 7 2 is 14, 3 17, 7 1 is 7 8. Okay, 875 by 2. Okay. Yes, here one mistake is there. That is here 4 zeros. See, this is 4 zeros. Here 1 0 will come again. Here also 1 0, 1 0. We will cancel once again. See that n is equal to 1 1 5 zeros into 80 become 1 by 80. This is 7 by 22. 11 2s are 11 1s are 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. 1 0 1 0 cancel. 2 1s 2 5s are, this is 5000. 5000. So now 5000 into 7 by 8. 2s are, this is 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 2500. This is 2 1s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 7, 2 5s are 0. So 1250 into 7. So this is 1250 into 7. 0 7 5s are 35, 17 are 40, 17 7 1s are 7 plus 1 875. Okay. See once again here. This is how much it is? 5000 into 7 by 8. Here we are getting confusion. So 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 2 zeros. Again by 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 5s are 0. Again by 1 2 6s are 2 2s are and 2 5s are. That is 625 into 7. 625 into 7. 7 5s are 35, 17 are 14, 17, 7 6 are 42, 43. That is 4375 revolutions. So to in 10 minutes, the wheel of a car with diameter 80 centimeters will make 4375 revolutions in with the 66 speed of in 10 minutes. Okay, so I hope that you understand. Once again I am explaining. Listen here. Diameter of the wheel is given 80 centimeters. We are changing the diameter into radius, that is 40 centimeters, and time is given 10 centimeters, and speed of the car is given 66 kilometers per hour. Here we are changing kilometers per hour into centimeters per minutes. Okay, why? Diameter, radius, and time. Given time is in radius is in centimeters, time is in minutes. That's why we are changing here in centimeter per minutes. First we here we are finding the distance travelled by the car in one revolution. That is equals to the circumference of the circle we got as 80 pi centimeters. So here we have to find the number of revolutions to make in 10 minutes. Okay, to make the wheel. Okay, that is, let it be n. Now the distance covered in 10 minutes. Distance, we know that distance formula, time into speed. Time 10 minutes already given. Already distance we found here 1,10,000. After multiplying this, we will get this much of distance. Now the number of revolutions into distance covered in one revolution. Both are is equal to the total distance travelled in 10 minutes. By equating these two, we will get the number of revolutions. Okay, thank you students. Now let us after this we will see the fifth question. Yes, let us solve the fifth question. Tick the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and area of a circle are numerically equal, then the radius is. So here we have to find the radius of the circle. When if the perimeter of the circle and area of the circle both are equal. Okay, so here it is given that perimeter of circle is equal to the area of circle. Okay, perimeter of the circle formula 2 pi r, area of the circle pi r square. See, pi get cancel, here 1 r cancel. Now r is equal to 2. So radius is equal to how many units? 2 units. So first option is correct option. Okay, this is very simple question. Okay, so up to now we have finished 5 questions from exercise 12.1. 5 questions only are there in 12.5. Okay, in the next video we have to discuss about what is a sector, what is a segment, and what is the formula for finding the sector of a circle, and what is the area of how to find the area of a segment. How many types are there in segments and sectors? There are two types are there: minor segment, major segment, minor sector, major sector. That coming topics are very important topics. In this exercise we covered only problems based on circumference and area of the circle. I hope that you understand, my dear students. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.